we're setting a new variable at the top here as 0 so that it's a number. And same with the donation sum, the count, and the average. So in this case, we want to actually return the average donation amount at the end. So what we want to do is get the sum of all of the donations, however many donations there are, and then just do a division math in there. So we're going to loop through with this for loop here, all of the donations, and we're going to assign the donation value to the amount. The sum is the amount there, and the count is whatever we had the count set at previously plus 1. So we're just kind of adding 1 each time it loops through. So then by the time it gets through all of the donations, it'll have added all 3 of these variables up, and we can take the sum and divide it by 100 to get the donation total, because we were adding up the amount in cents. And then donation cents is the sum. Dana, can you remind me what you're doing here? The slice? I think
Oh.
oh, go ahead.
Oh, no, good. It's a lot of the pieces that you're seeing are the formatting of the numbers. So I think this is just to make sure that the cents are populating. But I mean,
Right.
I also just want to call out, like, we're going through all of this just to make sure that you understand in this webinar, but we'll provide documentation that you can try copying and pasting into your own editor and playing around with this in a way that won't require you to like necessarily go through each step.
Totally. So the idea is that at the end, we're able to get the average donation amount, and using all of these different math filters, you could, round up to something, or you could get the maximum donation amount. There's a lot that you can do here, but if you know what the thing is that you want to include in the email, you could use Liquid to get there.